Hi there, I'm Mel, and we've just landed on the latest episode of Mango Travel Diaries. Today, I'm in a very special city. It's always a dream and a pleasure to be here, no matter how many times I've been before. It kind of feels like my second home in Europe, and so I've acquired the tiniest bit of French over the years. J'adore. Fromage. Bisous. Oui, this is Paris. The city of lights or the city of lovers, the French capital never disappoints. We're going to pay homage to the fashion capital of the world while enjoying the endless experiences for the senses this city has to offer. On y va! Let's start our day right. What better way to say good morning to Paris than with a croissant? I've been recommended au Petit Versailles du Marais, this place right behind me, a place picture perfect on the inside and even more so on the outside. And to start my day, I'm wearing this pretty casual gray suit. It's perfect, I mean, look at it. And we're adding a bit of color with a pink sweater and some red slingbacks. Let's go inside. This place got its name by the golden mirrors lining its walls, replicating the famous Hall of Mirrors in Versailles. And it's stunning. Look at all these pastries. We have croissants and chocolate cakes. I think this one looks great. I think I'm gonna have breakfast here. Un croissant, s'il te plaît? Doesn't this look like a proper piece of art? So delicious. Can't wait. French croissants are out of this world. Perfect breakfast. What would life be without great music? We're heading to La Dame Blanche, a record store specializing in jazz and classical music. But you can also find some rock and contemporary gems. This place definitely has some rhythm, and so does my outfit. I'm feeling a little disco with sparkles on the white blouse and the bag, and some loose denim on the bottom. Shoes are also very sparkly. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Let's see, we have some piano here, and then some violin and cello. I might know some of the artists. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have some Mendelssohn and Schubert, classics, and then more of that. Also some Bach. My teacher loved playing Bach with me. I wasn't such a big fan, but you know, this is great music. I just enjoy rock and pop a little bit more, and I think that's on that side. So, pop rock, what do we have? We have some AC/DC and some Aha. Love that. Oh, this is such a good one. Dolly Parton, Jolene. Let's put this on the record player. We're currently in Montmartre, which is famous to be like the artist area of the city because of a lot of artists and painters. Like they all have their studios here, which is super nice. It's a beautiful area. And I have this suit on, striped suit with really short shorts and mismatched stripes. And my favorite kinds of boots, cowboy boots, obviously. And I see something so exciting over there. Can't believe these old photo booths still exist around the city. They're so nice, and I have to say, every time I encounter one, I cannot resist the urge to have a photo taken and then also put the date and the place where it was taken on the back. It's like my little ritual, so we should do that here. The neighborhood that surrounds the Canal Saint-Martin is the heart of cool. You can enjoy everything Paris has to offer, seasoned with a few bohemian vibes and just the right amount of unconventional spice. This is my place. The youthful vibe, the street art, and also the nice shops here and there really defines these effervescent streets. And to fit this, I'm wearing probably my favorite outfit. Some loafers with some suit pants, a little casual and comfy, a see-through top, and this perfect, absolutely perfect bomber jacket. We can't forget some shades. It's sunny outside. So cute. Oh, these look delicious. Some fresh figs, always a good idea. The Canal Saint-Martin itself. Here in the warmer month, you'll find locals strumming their guitars by the water and spending long, lazy days doing their favorite pastime activity, which is mine too, having a picnic. I've brought some fresh fruits and cheese, apple juice, and of course, my postcards to write with me. And I could not envision a more photogenic place to say goodbye to this beautiful city. À votre santé. The experience of traveling together has made my summer unforgettable. I've enjoyed every single second of it, and I hope I could inspire you and bring a bit of each city to your screen. Thank you for joining me, and please leave a comment down below which destination inspired you the most. Now it's time to say goodbye after all the great memories we've made together. Au revoir.